A farmer was speaking to his son and he said, "Son, this year I am very hopeful that we will have a very good monsoon, we'll have great crop." That year it was a good monsoon, he got good crop and he was able to sell and make a lot of money. He had a series of good years where he was able to get very good crop and he became wealthier and wealthier over time. After many years now, when he was speaking to his son again, who was now a young man, he said, "Son, again this year I am very positive that God will be great, we will have great monsoon and we'll have a very good crop and we'll make a lot of money." His son, however, was following the news channels where he saw that monsoon forecast was not so good. So he warned his father that, "Father, this year the monsoon may not be good, so we need to be careful." His father said, "Don't worry. I believe in God. I am very positive. All this year God has been great and this year I am sure things will be great." Didn't turn out to be that way. The forecast came out to be true. It was a very dry spell and he lost most of his crop and there was a massive loss. The story ends here, but the point I'm trying to make is being positive is great because it helps you move ahead in life. It gives you hope. It actually helps you ward through a situation which is very difficult. But you also need to be realistic. You need to be grounded. You need to understand facts. You need to understand all the warning which comes from various directions. If you are unrealistically positive, things may not turn out to be great for you. In the current environment where businesses are uncertain about the future, there is added risk of our health and safety. It's a very difficult environment. If we just stay positive, it is not enough. We need to have something which connects us to the ground reality and our action should be based on that. So be positive, but be realistic. Unrealistic positivity is not going to help you and it's not going to move the needle for any of us. Thank you.